welcome to our channel Sis Bro Creations. So today I am gonna tell you some stories. Those stories are not normal fairy tales or moral stories. They are history kind of thing, like mythology we can say. So let's start the video. I will tell you about Asian mythology. So this year you will hear some stories of people who lived long way back in time. At the very beginning of this history, we will start with the people who lived in ancient India. Later on, you will also hear about the people of ancient Persia, Babylonia, and Egypt. They are all stories from countries far away and of times long ago. So now I'm going to start the first story. It is about India mythology. It will look like a foreign country story, but it's totally India story. So some people came from that continent to our country. I'll read what is that stories. Manu and the fish. Long ago there was a continent called Atlantis. People of Atlantis had magical powers which they could grow or shrink any object in matter of seconds. Manu was one of the good men. He never used his magical powers to trouble others. Days, months and years passed and the number of bad people kept on growing. Once, he saw a small fish chased by a much bigger fish to eat it. The fish was asking Manu to save and return it would save him too. Manu put the little fish in a jug. And fish grew very quickly. Soon the jug was too small and Manu put it into a large tank, but the fish kept on growing, and when the tank was too small, he carried it to the large river. There too, the fish grew larger. Manu had to carry the heavy fish to the great ocean. By now, Manu knew that this was no ordinary fish and boat in front of it. The fish said, "Wise Manu, there will be very soon heavy rains which will last for months. The great Atlantis will sink and it will be end of the evil people. But you, Manu, have responsibility of leading the mankind to the future. You must build a great wooden ark, means ship, and take noble people with you. You must also take seed from every plant with you and a pair of each animal. When flood hits, take all of these and other good people and get on ship. And remember me." Manu obeyed and built the ship. The ark. There were dark clouds everywhere as the rain began to lash. The fish arose out of the water. Arose means it's just like it came out of the water. It's like that. Arose out of the water like a huge island with horn on its head. Manu tied the fish's tail to the ship. When the flood receded, like when it came lower, like everything was normal, Manu unleashed the rope, like he untied the rope and started sailing. He found a land which is our motherland, India. Manu started a new life in India where there were no super magical powers and they had to surrender themselves in the nature. What a nice story, right? So I wanted to tell you something, like Manu started a new life in India, right? Where there were where there were no super. Where there. So it's a what we say. Yeah, it is a rhyming word. So I'll show you the drawing. It's a bit ugly. Yeah, I like it actually. So this is the first story of this ancient mythology. And if you want the other story,